How to prevent ingrown hairs on your neck. Ingrown hairs are a common problem that can occur anywhere you shave, including on your neck. Not only are ingrown hairs unsightly and uncomfortable, they can lead to infections, scarring, and darkening of your skin. Preventing ingrown hairs on your neck is similar to doing so on your face. Use good shaving techniques, keep your skin clean with daily hygiene practices, or consider alternatives to shaving. Altering your shaving habits. Shave in a warm shower. Keep your skin nice and wet when you shave. Shaving with dry hair is more likely to cause skin irritation and ingrown hairs. Shave in the shower to keep your skin moist the whole time. The warm water will also help soften your hair. Use shaving gel every time you shave. Never dry shave. Your skin should be moist and lubricated when you shave. Lather up with a rich shave gel or cream to protect your skin. Use products that are fragrance-free and non-comedogenic, won't clog pores if you have sensitive skin. Apply the cream or gel 5 minutes before shaving to soften up the hair. Use a razor with a single blade. Shaving cuts hairs short and makes them sharp, that's why it's easy for them to turn back in on themselves, pierce the skin, and become ingrown. Use a razor with a single blade instead of multiple blades so that the hairs aren't quite as short or sharp. Replace your razor blades every 5 to 7 shaves so that they stay clean and sharp. Always rinse your razor when you're done shaving to get soap and hairs off of it. Replace your razor blades every 5 to 7 shaves so that they stay clean and sharp. Always rinse your razor when you're done shaving to get soap and hairs off of it. Shave in the direction of hair growth. Shave with, not against, the grain of your hair. This prevents hair from being cut too short and irritating your skin, and decreases the likelihood of ingrown hairs. Shave each area only once. Do not shave the same area of skin over and over again. This can irritate your skin and cut the hairs very short, possibly resulting in more ingrown hairs. Shave over an area one time only. Using a high-quality, lubricating shave gel can help make this more effective. Rinse the razor blade after every stroke. It may seem tedious, but take the time to rinse off your blade after every stroke you make. This will keep your blade cleaner and produce a more even, less irritating shave. Keep your skin naturally loose when you shave. Don't pull your skin taut while you shave over it. This can let the hair follicle slip back under the skin. It may take some practice, but work on shaving your neck without pulling on your skin. Lift and move your chin and jaw to different angles to get those hard-to-reach places. Use an electric razor. Electric razors do not give you as close of a shave as razor blades do. Because they don't cut the hair as short, electric razors may be less likely to cause ingrown hairs. Consider trying one out to see if it helps. You can also use a clipper or beard trimmer. These often allow you to choose what closeness setting you want. Avoid using the shortest setting. You can also use a clipper or beard trimmer. These often allow you to choose what closeness setting you want. Avoid using the shortest setting.